Johnny wants to know how much coffee he will need for 800 people at a meeting. Each person who drinks coffee will drink 2 cups of coffee. 10.6 grams of coffee is needed for each cup of coffee. So everyone that's going to drink coffee is going to drink 2 cups, and 10.6 grams is needed for each cups. So the total amount is then going to be 2 times 10.6, which then gives you 21.2. So everyone who's going to have coffee is going to use 21.2 grams of coffee. Johnny assumes that 68% of the people, and there's 800 people in total, will drink coffee. So we need to find what 68% of 800 is. In order to do this, we're going to convert 68% into a multiplier, and we do that by dividing by 100. So in order to convert a percentage to a decimal, you divide by 100, and 68 divided by 100 gives you 0.68. We're looking for 68% of 800, so you're then going to multiply that by 800, which gives you 544. So 544 people are going to have coffee. Each of these 544 people are going to use 21.2 grams of coffee, so we're then going to multiply that by 21.2. When we do that, we then get 11,532.8 grams of coffee. The question asks us to give our answer correct to the nearest gram, so we just need to round this to the nearest integer, which we look at that 8. That 8 causes you to round up, which therefore changes that 2 to a 3. So it's 11,533 grams, and that's our answer for this question. Part B of this question then goes on to this. So Johnny's assumption is wrong. 72% of people will drink coffee, and this is 72% compared to the 68% that we assumed originally drank coffee. How does this affect your answer for part A? So rather than doing the 68%, we would then do the 72%, which is actually then 0.72. That then means that more people would drink coffee, so rather than 544, it would be higher, and if more people are drinking coffee, then more coffee is then going to be used. So the amount of coffee that he would need, that 11,533 grams, is lower than it would actually be. So it would affect our answer because more people will drink coffee, he will need more coffee in total. For this question, there are a range of acceptable answers, so just have a look at the mark scheme to see what then is acceptable. You could just work it out again, so do your 0.72 multiplied by the 800, that would give you a value, then multiply that by 21.2, and when you do that, that gives you 12,211. So then that would tell you that he needs more coffee.